Hey YouTube, my name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all, a Dollar Tree holiday haul, so stay tuned. Second trip to Dollar Tree for this season. Let's get into it because I don't have that much time on my phone and I have a lot of stuff to show you. So we'll start with some of the more decorative things. So if you saw my other Dollar Tree haul, you saw that I only got one kitchen towel, and so I finally found another one that says "May your holidays be furry and bright." So it's red, green, and white, a decorative towel, and I have another one, so that's perfect. So now I have two, and I'll attach that video to this one in case you didn't see it. I got this nice picture. I don't know where it's gonna be, but it says "Home for the Holidays." Really decorative. It goes with my red and white theme, so that's perfect. I found my tablecloth, red and white snowflakes. Love it, love it, love it. Perfect, simple, and it was only $1.25. I found my table runner. This is the white. It's like a white. I actually could have made this. You all who've watched me for a long time know that I sew, but I haven't been on my sewing more recently. But yeah, this is a table runner, and I'm gonna do a video of me decorating, so you're gonna get to see all of these things in the video. I got some tissue paper, decorative tissue paper, good for, you know, your stuff in your bags and whatever, your gift baskets and so forth. All the holiday colors, which I love. And I got some holiday gift bags because you just never know. I don't like wrapping gifts. I think it's easier to just put them in a bag, put this tissue in it, put the gift in it, and then cover it up with the tissue, put your card on it, and call it a day. But I just got two of them. I have some from last year, so I didn't need to get too much. So here are some of the other like toiletry type of things. I got some Fisher Price wipes. That's for me. I got this face mask. I got some things that I'm going to be giving away to people. I'm actually going to be giving this one away. And this face mask says Real Veggie Farm Double Shot Mask, Blueberry Mask. I should have got one for myself, but I have one from another brand that I use, so I didn't really need it for myself. I have these watermelon scented hand wipes by Be Pure, which I love this brand, Be Pure. So I got two because I'm going to be giving them away. I got these Pretty Woman faux nails. This is going to also be something that I'm giving away. Not to you guys, because I have a separate giveaway for my 10K giveaway, because my channel has reached 10,000 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing. I have a brush which I'm gonna give away. This is part of a giveaway, like gifts to people for Christmas. And these are some Joe Boxer flushable wipes to keep you clean. I'm gonna give this away to someone. And this Palmer's hand, it's the cocoa butter with vitamin E for your hands, a travel size, because you know you need to have your hands moist. I don't mess around with dry hands, so that's also going to be a giveaway. Also, this claw clip, you know how popular these are, and it's super cute for $1.25. I also got these cute fuzzy socks. These are so cute. These are white and blue, white and gray, and they're so soft and fuzzy and warm for the winter time. I got this notebook. This one is for me, and this pen I got on my last Dollar Tree run, and look, lo and behold, it matches the notebook. I did not even realize it, so perfect. So I have my pen and paper. So this one is for me. I got this jade facial roller because I need one. Normally when I do my skincare and my facial stuff, I go to the sauna and I usually just do a face massage myself with my hands, but now I'm going to start using this roller and I cannot wait to show you all. I am excited about this. I love doing skincare. Okay, so this is a basket I got for one of the gift baskets that I'm gonna be giving away to someone that I love, and I think this is super cute. It's the perfect size. It's gonna fit everything for the gift basket. So they have different sizes, so if you all need to make gift baskets and you need some baskets, go to Dollar Tree. I got this for the centerpiece for my table. Remember, you guys, in my other Dollar Tree video, I was looking for a centerpiece, couldn't find one. So I just got like pieces of these to put together. And then it's gonna all go and it's gonna look perfect. Stay tuned for my holiday decoration video because it's gonna be awesome. So for the house, I got Spick and Span Advanced Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaner for my floors. This time I got the purple one. Last time I got the yellow one, the lemon scented one. So yeah. Now for some snacky snacks. You guys know I always have to get some snacks at Dollar Tree. These are not the healthiest, but they're snacks either way. The lemon cookies, the lemon sandwich cookies. I got this is for a gift. Cherry gummy bears. I love the fact that it's all cherry because you know some people don't like to have the variety. I know I'm like that. I like all cherry. So this is awesome, and I got 2 of them. For the house, I got some mints, and again, these are awesome. They are definitely comparable to the name brand ones. I get these all the time. And then I got some more candy canes. I got some in my last haul and I decided those were the Jolly Rancher one. These are the Smarties ones. So they don't taste like peppermint. They're going to taste like the Smarties candies. So they're fruit flavored. So I love that. So yeah, but that is my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you all for watching. Also check out my website for lip gloss. I have a whole bunch of lip gloss. This is one of the ones I have This is my cherry lip gloss, and I have a set where it comes with the red and white. Let me show you now. This is my candy cane set, Kharyzma for You Nourishing Lip Gloss, and it's inspired by candy cane. So it comes with the cherry and then the snowflake one. So this one is peppermint and this one is cherry, and you can get it. It's a duo limited edition for the Christmas season on kharyzmaforyou.com. The cherry one, see, nice little tint of cherry. I love it, and I love the smell. It smells like cherries. I love the cherry smell. So get this. Go to kharyzmaforyou.com and support, and give this video a like and share, and stay tuned for my decoration video. We got to get these videos out. Christmas is almost around the corner, and I love you all. Thank you guys for watching.